Welcome back to another Shingle Mingle Monday. My name is Brent Simmons, and in today's video, I'm going to answer the question of what skylights do we install? So there's a couple different skylight manufacturers out there, but there's really one to me that stands out above the rest, and that is VELUX. VELUX has been in business for an extremely long time, and in my opinion, they have truly led the way in terms of VELUX technology, or skylight technology and advancement in this space. And right here, I'm standing next to what's called a VSS skylight. This is their top of the line. It stands for Venting Solar Skylight. This one right here, this model that we have, this display, has two really cool features. First of all, right here, it actually has a solar powered blind. And you can see it's actually opening right now with just the click of a button. Again, that's your solar panel. This can block out 99% of the light that comes into the skylight. But this also has a really cool feature. Honestly, my favorite thing about these skylights is the venting feature. So down here, you have another large solar panel, and you may be able to hear it, but it's actually starting to open up. So I'll let it open while we talk. But these are a couple of the reasons why we love these skylights. All of our installers at Mid-South Skylights and Restoration Roofing have actually been factory trained at VELUX facilities. They're not just roofers off the street that are doing this. They have actually been to Chicago to learn how to install these skylights properly by VELUX professionals. So we call them our factory trained experts. We install hundreds of these a year. We've never had any issues with them. They're just awesome. So in the Mid-South, there's a lot of roofers that'll tell you to remove the skylight and deck it over. At Restoration Roofing, we're not going to tell you to do that. We're going to tell you to let us replace it and give you a 10-year no-leak warranty against this actually ever leaking. So you can't beat that. Awesome product, awesome warranty, and factory-trained installers. You're in good hands with us. So if you're in the Memphis area, give us a call, 901-854-3402. Also, if you have any questions, drop them below in the comments. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week.